Hey everyone, it's Sarah, and in today's video, we're going to talk about aspartame, an artificial sweetener commonly used in diet drinks and low-calorie foods. Aspartame is about 200 times sweeter than sugar and contains only 4 calories per gram, making it a popular choice for those looking to cut back on calories and manage their sugar intake. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future health and wellness videos. Alright, let's get started. Aspartame has been around since 1981 and is a key ingredient in popular zero-calorie sugar substitutes like NutraSweet and Equal. You can find it in diet soda, sugar-free gum, and other sugar-free products. Many people use it as a sugar replacement to help with weight management and blood sugar control, especially for those with prediabetes or diabetes. However, there have been concerns about the safety of aspartame, and the research on its health effects is still ongoing. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, which is part of the World Health Organization, classified aspartame as a Group 2B carcinogen, meaning it's possibly carcinogenic to humans. This classification is based on limited evidence, and it doesn't mean that consuming aspartame will definitely cause cancer. But it does raise some questions about its long-term safety. One study found that high consumers of aspartame and other artificial sweeteners had a 13% higher risk of overall cancer compared to non-consumers. So, it's essential to be cautious about excessive consumption. Besides potential cancer risks, diets high in aspartame may also have other health concerns. Some studies suggest that it could negatively impact the gut microbiome, promoting an inflammatory environment in the digestive tract. Additionally, there's conflicting evidence on whether it improves blood sugar control for individuals with diabetes or impacts brain health. Furthermore, recent research linked aspartame intake to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke in some individuals. It may be due to the effects of artificial sweeteners on inflammation, gut health, and blood vessel function. Now, I want to mention that the U.S. Food and Drug Administration considers aspartame safe for human consumption in doses under 50 mg per kilogram of body weight per day. That means a person weighing 132 pounds would need to consume around 75 packets of aspartame sweetener in a single day to reach the upper end of the acceptable daily intake. This level of consumption is quite challenging to achieve on a daily basis, which is why regulatory agencies still consider aspartame safe. However, some studies indicate that even lower levels of aspartame intake may be associated with certain health issues, such as dementia and stroke, in individuals who regularly consume artificially sweetened beverages. So, who should avoid or limit aspartame? People with phenylketonuria, a genetic disorder that affects the body's ability to break down an amino acid called phenylalanine, should avoid aspartame, as it contains this amino acid. Additionally, individuals at a higher risk of liver cancer, such as those with chronic viral hepatitis, obesity, or type 2 diabetes, may want to limit their aspartame intake as a precautionary measure. In conclusion, while aspartame is considered safe by regulatory agencies, ongoing research is shedding light on its potential health implications. If you choose to use aspartame or any artificial sweetener, it's essential to do so in moderation and be mindful of your overall diet and lifestyle. That's all for today's video, folks. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And as always, leave your comments down below on any other topics you'd like me to cover in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care. Bye.